Okay, hi, my name is Mr. Carrillo. I'm from the Outdoor Education Office, and I'm here at your school. I'm at, as you can see, Julius West Middle School, and I'm here with your two science teachers, at least two of them, many of the science teachers you have here, with Mr. Lenz and Miss Tarzi right here. And we're going to talk about how you impact the watershed. We're starting here at your school because we want you to think about if you're a raindrop, and if you fell from the sky down into the pavement, where would you travel? Where would you go? And where is the nearest stream? And how are you impacting that stream? Because that's what we're going to concentrate this week on, is again, how do you impact the watershed and how do we determine that?
Hi, I'm Miss Martinez-Mack, and I'm here to just talk to you a little bit about what you just saw. So as we were walking from the front of the school over to the drain over here, think about what that raindrop is going through. It probably picked up a little bit of dirt, maybe some grass clippings. Did you guys see that sign for dog poop? It probably picked up a little bit of that too. So, how far would you travel as a raindrop? Probably going through that drain, right? Where does it end up? What river are we gonna go to now?
So as you can see, we're here behind our Julius West School. Right here is our basketball courts, our tennis courts, and really where the parking lot kind of runs off into. And all around the school we have these retention ponds or rain gardens where the water flows into. And as you can see, there's a lot of different types of native plants that have been purposefully planted here to help filter the water. The water has to go here first, especially after a big storm. And then these plants actually can take in some of the toxins that's run off from the pavement and from what's called an impervious surface that water can't go into. As the water goes through this actual land, it actually gets naturally filtered before it goes into the rest of our stormwater runoff in our stream system.
All right, as you all can see, what's amazing about us here at Julius West is that we have tons of different surfaces that do affect the surrounding area and how the water would run. We have this wonderful, beautiful turf. We also have the highway back there, and then we have this awesome buffer zone that's behind of trees that have been preserved to support the wildlife and everything around here. But what's most important is the fact that the noise also affects what's going on here at our school. The noise pollution, this not only that, maybe the gas and the oil pollution that gets carried into the air. We then, with this turf, might even have lots of runoff because it carries the water even faster down towards the river that you see over there. And so that buffer zone that we have created that is being preserved by the city really does help prevent the pollution from getting carried into the stream as much as it would.
Hey again, sixth graders, it's Miss Martinez. Wow, look at how far that water has traveled. Look, you can see the school from over there, and we have gone through most of its journey, at least through, towards the actual river. This creek unfortunately does not have a name, but as you can see, it's starting to collect a lot of the things that could have run off into this creek. This is just the beginning of its journey, and it's headed towards the big watershed. And we'll learn what that term means once we meet together in class.
All right, in a minute, we're gonna meet back in the classroom so that we can continue collecting the data that we've gathered here at the stream and your data that you've collected at home so that we can see what we've got going on in our school's neighborhood. And basically what we'll also provide you is the tools that we can to access this and to collect the data and to do our evaluation piece.
So we've just given you an orientation of our entire school ground and everything that surrounds our Julius West Middle School. You can see the school behind me and the neighborhoods are right over there where some of you might live, and 270 right there. As you go through this week and as you go through your day-to-day regular routine, think about what it is that you're doing at home that actually has an impact on our watershed around us.
See you at the stream!